Hello and welcome to day 17 of Vlogmas. So I have quite a bit on today. I really want to get stuck into those bird of paradise earrings. That is probably my number one priority for today, to at least get something done on them. I'm about to go for a walk actually. I'm going to finish my cup of tea and then go for a walk because I've just got a bunch of stuff rattling around in my head and I need to sort some of it out. And the best place to do that is on my favourite bench near Oak Hill Gallery. So I'll wander through and look at the roses, stop and smell the roses and just get my exercise for the day. I think I'm at that point where, I'm excited about this new collection. I'm anxious about it. I've sort of hadn't really set a timeline for when I wanted to have pieces finished, and that was probably a mistake. Now, what I really wanted to do was to have some pieces finished by Christmas, not necessarily for Christmas, but by Christmas, because I was trying to work out how long it would take me to design and to cut and to sketch and paint and seal and all of that sort of stuff. So I've been slowly doing that. And then I've been sort of showing you guys snippets, but I haven't really been putting anything out on social media or anything like that. So I really need to get to the point where I've got the basis of a collection and then I can launch it and show people. And I'm feeling like I'm not at that stage yet, and I'm really balking around these bird of paradise earrings, and I don't know what the problem is. So I think I need to just go and sit on my favorite bench and just do some soul searching, I suppose, and just think about things in a different way. made some progress on the Bird of Paradise earrings. I decided to draw or sketch in the outline, and then I've started painting. There is a lot more work to do on these, but I'm making progress. I'm really loving this sort of white space around the outside. I think it's great. I've worked out kind of what the fear was. So when I did the original ones, obviously I just cut out the shape and then painted it. And then we worked out that that design was too spiky. So I just decided to go with a sort of a more rounded shape and just paint in the details. I had these made and photographed, and they were ready sort of as part of the collection to be launched. And I think the issue was that I needed to redo them, and I was redoing them like this. And I wanted to get them done fairly quickly, and I wanted them to be beautiful and all of those sorts of things. And I was worried that maybe it would take me a few goes to get the shape right and to get the painting right and all of that sort of stuff. So I just didn't want to start, and I just kept putting it off. So I finally started, and you know what? If I make a mess of it, I can just paint over it with watercolor ground. I went to show you the watercolor ground, and I can't, because at the moment it is the stand for my phone so that I can record videos. I still haven't got myself a new tripod. That is coming. Look, it may have to wait until after Christmas and after Vlogmas. We may just end up recording the rest of the videos with a mobile phone stand standing on top of a tub of watercolor ground. But anyway, as I was saying, basically I can just paint over it and make a new background if I need to, but it seems to be going okay, and I'm really quite happy with it. One thing I thought I might do is also use some ink, so use one of my pens to draw in some outlines once I'm done, because I think that black will help to make it really pop. I did that with my budgie. I think you can just see him there over my shoulder. I created his feathers using water marbled paper. So I used to do water marbling, and I marbled some paper and cut out lots of little feathers and glued them down. But his face is, what I'm trying to say is his facial features are done using watercolor and then ink as well. So I've sort of outlined some of the bits and pieces, but I think he's beautiful, and I thought, yeah, I'll give that a go with this. I think that will look really lovely. So I'll keep you updated on how they're coming along. I've decided that I want to go with the longer earring finding, so it will basically look like that. So it doesn't matter which side, whether you put them pointing out or pointing in. Yeah, I think I like them pointing out. The other ones, it's funny, I wore them pointing in, but they look just as good pointing out. But the thing is, they're still too spiky. So that design scrapped. This is the new design, and I'm really happy with that. Okay, I better get back to work. It was lovely chatting to you on this 17th day of Vlogmas. I still can't believe it's the 17th of December, but I hope you're having a wonderful day and a wonderful lead up to Christmas, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Okay, bye.